Well, good morning. On today's adventure, we're going to be at the Fortress of Solitude again. A lot has happened. I've been bad. I forgot my GoPro last week and we did a lot of stuff. My buddy Paul and I rented an excavator and we've kind of redid the fire pit area, dug a trench for septic, and going to run a drain from my place, from the sink to the septic tank. And then we had some foundation work to do up here with the snow. It's so heavy it can mess with your foundation. So I'll show you what it looked like before with some pictures real quick here, and I'll get back to you. And sadly my wood spirit was right here with another log or stump. I was going to do another one, but it got rotten at the base. Ants and termites got into it and whatnot, so now it's just sitting here ready to go home. Let's take a little nap. I'll put the video of where I took it out here, right here. This is my good friend Johnny. Still rotten at the base. I gotta move him for progress. Bye, Johnny. Oh! He's going home. So this is what we did with the excavator. We had all these big rocks right here all around my fire pit. Those are from a previous dig I did about 20 years ago. Put them over here for a nice rock garden. Now we have all this usable space. The fire pit is a lot more user-friendly. I had to throw all these flagstones down because it poured last night and we're tracking mud all over. So I think it looks pretty good. But this is what we got going over here. And here's a little hole we dug. We're gonna put like a 55-gallon mini septic system in. Not a big deal. We trenched all the way through all those roots and rocks all the way to the cabin. All I have in there is a sink, so really not much comes through there. I ran that pipe when I got up here. I got up yesterday and a little late. So that's what we got going here. And then I gotta just dig some leach lines for this thing and get the tank. And finally, as you can see, we finally demoed the east porch. That thing was broke to pieces from all the snow sloughing off the roof right there. Just sloughs off like a sledgehammer. So I'm going to build a little more stout deck, and I'm going to eventually put a patio cover to wrap around, so it's just not even an issue anymore. We also did some foundation work. So when I built this 24 years ago, I was broke and I couldn't afford cement for a middle support, so I just put supports on the end, and over time the snow load just pushes it down. So I rocked it Amish style and got some local rocks from the area. Those aren't going anywhere, and now it's level. And now it's time to build a patio. I won't do it on this episode because I don't have the lumber. I'm just getting a few pieces of lumber set to make it level so I know where to put my footings and whatnot. But I'll be sure and record all that. That'll be kind of cool. Check you in a few. Oh man, there's a storm coming. It's going to be awesome. It's thundering all around. Maybe there'll be some while I'm filming here. Just remember my mom's did a bunch of work for her, got her squared away, so she's more comfortable and things are better. But we're waiting on the storm now, so this should be good. Oh. Well, we got a lot done. We were able to frame up part of the porch here, the new east porch. Check it out. Got the footings in. Got about over, well, just half done. Now I gotta do is get a little bit more lumber and some more footings and then get that all done. And then we moved a lot of dirt. It's a lot easier with a tractor. I had to shovel all this trench back, making me miss my excavator. But we're getting it done. The weather's beautiful. It stopped raining for a little bit. Now it's just windy. I don't think it's going to rain anymore. But a beautiful, beautiful day. Good morning. I guess 4 days here. Got a lot done. I'm standing behind my mom's cabin right now. I just fashioned her a mount for her Harbor Freight solar panels there. We just had them leaning up against this tank here. Anyway, keeping me busy. I just got done buttoning up her pizza oven for the winter. It's cool this morning. It's windy. It was rainy for the last couple days, but it's just beautiful. It's not 100, so we'll take it. Well, that's going to wrap up another trip to the Fortress of Solitude. We've got a ton done. I mean, a ton. I am tired, but it's going to be awesome. And we still got a little bit of work to do. Next time we come back, we're going to start lumberjacking, cutting down trees. I need firewood for my fireplace. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching Bearded Adventure. See ya.